When you are editing a PDF from a computer, it looks a little bit different than what you need to do from an iPad. So first thing, open your assignment and go to View Assignment. Then I'm going to look for my assignment in the top right corner. I click it, and if your computer, like mine, is not showing anything here, that is okay. Sometimes this happens. If you go up to the top right corner, you'll see those three dots. Click them, click Open in a new window. Then what you need to do is you need to open this with an app called DocHub. So in the top middle of your screen, click that drop down button, and you can see Google is giving me a list of suggested apps. I'm going to click DocHub. Because this is my first time using the app, I need to first grant permission. Then any other time I go to open a PDF, DocHub will be listed right at the top under Google Docs before you get to the suggested apps. It's going to ask me to sign in, and then I need to grant permissions. Click Allow and Allow, and then just one final time, Allow. And this will allow it to sync with your Google account. Alright, so once DocHub loads, you have some options for editing, and all your tools are up here in the top left corner. And you'll see if you hover over them, it gives you an idea of what that tool is used for. The pointer lets you select things in the text. If you tap the A, it allows you to type anything, anywhere you want to. Using those 6 boxes, you can drag it around to be in another place. And of course, you have your text editing options up at the top in the middle, where you can change the color so it stands out a little bit more. Or you can change the size if you want it to be bigger or smaller. If you accidentally make a box you don't want, you just click the trash can to delete it. If you come back up, you have the drawing tool, and this is great if you want to underline something. So you can create lines wherever you want to. They can be straight lines, they can be squiggly lines, any type of line you want. If you don't like the line you've drawn, come back to your pointer, and then you can tap the shapes and delete. You also have your highlighter, and this is a click, hold, and drag, and it will highlight in a box. Then you also have a few additional options with DocHub. You can add a comment or a note to yourself. You just click, and then off to the side you'll see here's a space for you to leave a comment. In your own words, why you thought that was something important, why you highlighted it. And then you can also leave a stamp, and you have options of all these different ones, and you're going to put that stamp there. You also have the option to upload an image. So you can insert any image you have on your computer, and it will insert it full size of that image, but you can just drag, resize, and then tap and move it around to wherever you want it to be. So you think you've finished editing your PDF to complete the activity your teacher has assigned. Now what? First thing you do, look up in the top left corner, make sure it is saying saved. It should be doing this automatically, just like Google Docs does. Then I need to find the download icon in the top right corner of the screen and change it from download to computer to drive. And I want it to be update existing with revision, and I click export to drive, and it's saved in drive. When I go to show me in my drive, I can see it's in here with all my revisions, and this is exactly what I want to see. That means that that's what my teacher will be able to see. So I can close all these tabs. Then I'm back in Classroom. I can go ahead and turn it into my teacher, and this will allow them to see the revised version of my PDF.